Hi there, Attorney Jobeth Bowers. I'm giving you a little bit of information today about a topic that comes up with a lot of my auto accident clients, and that is a specific coverage called uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. Now, this is a part of your automobile policy. Now, if you want more information on the different parts of your policy, go to marylandinsurancebook.com and download the edition of my book, or go to Amazon or Barnes & Noble and search for my name or search for Making the Most of Your Maryland Auto Insurance Policy. Get that book. It's going to explain everything in detail. But very briefly, your uninsured and your underinsured motorist coverage. What does it do? It's a coverage that if A, somebody doesn't have insurance at all, or if it's a hit and run accident that they're at fault for, it will step in, take the place of their insurance, and pay the claim. And then they'll go after the other guy or the other gal that caused this accident, and your insurance company will try to get their money back. More importantly, the underinsured motorist coverage. We don't get to pick who hits us, and we don't get to pick how bad the accidents are. But if you're severely hurt in an accident with somebody that has no insurance or the minimum insurance coverage in Maryland, you're going to want underinsured motorist coverage. The minimum policy in Maryland is $30,000 per person. If you get injured in an accident, break bones, go to the hospital, spend some time there for a week maybe, you're going to have over $50,000 to $100,000 in medical bills, not to mention any time that you miss from work, just as the medical bills. If that policy of the other driver's $30,000, that insurance company is very quickly going to say, hey, here's your $30,000. Doesn't even cover your medical bills. Certainly doesn't put any money in your pocket. The underinsured motorist coverage will go above and beyond that if they're underinsured, as is described, and pay excess. One of my friends that's an insurance agent for travelers tells me that most of the clients that he recommends, if they own a house, to get $250,000 worth of coverage for an individual, which will cover $500,000 total. If that's for if there's multiple people in the accident that get injured. So check out your uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage. It should certainly be no less than what your liability limits are, and it won't cost that much to increase it if you've made that mistake and you've lowered those limits below your liability coverage. I don't sell insurance, but I'm happy to answer any questions that you might have by calling my office at 410-885-6200. Again, this is Jobeth Bowers from Bowers Law.